Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive Instagram error internet connection. So mostly it happens because you have problems with your internet connection. So first thing, you just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So just try open app. And also you can try to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you use mobile data, just turn on and turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the source, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to restore your Wi-Fi router. So sometimes it also helps. So just try to restore your Wi-Fi router. And the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and just wait until it will successfully reset network settings. Also you can try to go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.